Welcome back. Today I'm inside the back of the Corvette, and it's kind of a mild day, but we're gonna get some rain soon, so I'm not doing too much. But today I thought I would just go over the rear of the frame with a little bit of metal brush and get rid of some of this schmutzy stuff inside here. I'm just doing what I'm kind of thinking of as a dry cleaning. I don't really want to get into a lot of purple power, if you know what I mean. I don't want to get this all wet back here. My hope is that I can brush this and then clean it up. I got a lot of stuff, a lot of dust. My hope is that I can brush this down without choking too much. And then my goal is to put this metal prep, and that says rust neutralizer. So that's my plan, rust neutralizer, and then probably just not really paint, but some sort of rust sealer, like a frame sealer. I also had a question for the community, which is, does this look, and it does, I think, does this look like it was in a little fender bender back here? That's the only spot on the frame that I can see where it looks like there might have been a little work at some point. I think this whole rear is actually replaced. Do you guys know? I mean, it looks a little weird right up here. It looks like it's been tampered with, you know, up in here. And also this material just looks newer, right? I don't think that looks like 50 years old, but I don't know. This has got a new rear. So that's what I'm doing today. Just gonna clean all this up. I also decided, sorry for the camera, it's kind of hard to work. I'm just gonna keep the rear sway bar in. Also brushing this down, suspension support area. And I'm gonna keep the rear sway bar for now. And I decided, as far as the front sway bar, I'm gonna wait, because the sway bar is easy to pop in and out. You know, that's not a major thing. I don't have to do it right now. I want to wait. This is a small block car, so I'm just gonna see how it handles with the coilovers in the front first, and then if it feels like it needs a little stiffer sway bar, I'll pop one in. But I'm gonna wait on that. I'm not gonna do it right now. So how's it looking, you guys? I've got the fuel hoses out. Obviously, I'll replace those with some good American-made fuel line. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get back to work. Check in with you guys later.